Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app and make sure you open up the standalone one, which is right here, considering you can also access it from the dialer. Now, if you access from the dialer, you won't have the dots right here that we need. So let's go back and open up correctly through Contacts. And you can see you have those three bars. You can tap on it and then Manage Contacts, and gives you the option Import Export Contacts. Tap on it, and we're interested in importing contacts, so tap on it. And so we want to import it from the SIM. Select your SIM card and you will see all your contacts right here. You tap on them to select each contact that you want to import, and once you have them selected, all you need to do is tap on Done, and then you select where you want to import it to. Now we only have one option here, which is the phone. So tap on the phone and then import. And let's see what we got. I think it's just going back again. Let's just see to make sure. Yeah, so we have double contacts, I guess. No. So that is how you would import it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.